In the heart of Kashmir Valley lies Dal Lake, a timeless mirror of the heavens, a canvas painted by nature and nurtured by man. For centuries, this lake has been more than just a body of water. It has been the soul of Kashmir, a living symbol of the region's rich history, vibrant culture, and enduring spirit. The story of Dal Lake stretches back through the mists of time. In ancient texts and legends, the lake is often described as a paradise on earth, a place where gods and mortals alike found solace. Dal Lake's shores have been home to civilizations for millennia. It was a sanctuary for sages and scholars, a place of retreat and reflection. The waters of Dal Lake have witnessed the rise and fall of empires, from the Mauryas to the Mughals, each leaving its mark on the landscape and culture of Kashmir. Dal Lake has long been a muse for artists, poets, and writers. Its tranquil waters, framed by the snow-capped Himalayas, have inspired countless expressions of beauty and longing. From the verses of ancient poets to the vibrant strokes of contemporary painters. In the poetry of Lal Ded and Habba Khatun, the lake's presence is almost spiritual, a reflection of the inner world. In the 19th century, during the British Raj, Dal Lake became a favorite retreat for British officials and visitors who were drawn to its cool climate and scenic beauty. In the decades following independence, Dal Lake found itself in the spotlight once again, this time as the muse of Bollywood. The lake's ethereal beauty became the setting for countless films where romance and drama unfolded against the backdrop of its serene waters. These films immortalized Dal Lake in the hearts of millions, making it a cultural icon beyond the borders of Kashmir. Yet, as the cameras captured the lake's beauty, a different story was unfolding in the shadows. The late 20th century brought a period of turmoil to Kashmir. As insurgency and conflict spread across the region, Dal Lake, once a symbol of peace, became a silent witness to violence and fear. The tourism industry collapsed, houseboats lay abandoned, and the water that once echoed with laughter now reflected a deep sense of loss. Dal Lake has seen centuries of history pass over its waters, times of peace and times of strife.
आप इधर डल से कब से जुड़े हुए हैं?
डल झील बेसिकली हमारी हेरिटेज है. सो आई एम बॉर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप इन श्रीनगर, बट 30 साल में से 20 साल इट वाज ऑल मम बिकॉज ऑफ अनफॉर्चुनेट अनरेस्ट. नाउ इट्स गेटिंग रूट्स अगेन. तो फिर से रिस्टार्ट हो गया कुछ साल पहले 2010-12 के बाद. टूरिज्म फिर से रूम आ गया यहाँ पे. सो द लेक इज गेटिंग द charm again, and this whole Srinagar city, especially Dal Lake and the suburban is rich of Kashmir. and so this place got famous.
Dal Lake, the soul of Kashmir, continues to reflect the stories of the past while carrying the hopes of the future in its timeless embrace.